Okay, here is a question asked by a student. Okay, let's look at this. Question 17, loose paper 1. Given the equation of curve is something like this, find the coordinates of the stationary point. Okay, find the coordinate of stationary point. Stationary point means turning points, another name for it. It can be a minimum, it can be a maximum, or it can be an inflection point. Okay. To determine the nature, we need the second order differentiation lah. Okay, for now, what is the thing we need to know? At stationary, dy dx should be equals to 0. So we calculate the dy dx and set equal to 0 lah. So this one, I think we need to expand the equation. So y equal to 3x square minus 2 over 3 will be there. And then x square multiply x will become x cube plus half. So dy dx should be 6x minus 3 and 3 cut, so 2 x power 2. Okay, at stationary point, dy dx equals to 0. So 6x minus 2x square is equals to 0. So 2x square is equal to 6x. No, maybe I do it another way. Maybe I multiply this, I divide the whole thing with negative 2. Why negative 2? Because I want to make the x square as positive, our a as positive. So I get x square minus 3x. 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3, yeah, equals to 0. And then we need to factorize this. So you get x equals to 0 and x equals to 3. You get your x coordinate ready. Now substitute back inside your y to get your y coordinate. So when x equals to 0, very simple. You substitute 0 in the equation. Okay, as you can see, 0 here, 0 here. So the whole thing will be 0, whole thing will be 0 plus half. So the only answer you'll get is y equal to half. Okay, when x equals to 3, we need to substitute. So y is equal to 3 square minus 2 over 3 cube plus half, which you will get 19 over 2. So stationary points are 0, half, and 3, 19 over 2. So that's part A. Part B, we need to determine whether each stationary point is a maximum or minimum. So you can use your second order differentiation method, or tangent sketching method also can be used. Okay, I'm very comfortable with the second order differentiation method because you need to play with the equation, no need to sketch so many things lah. Just use tangent sketching method when they ask you. Okay, if second order differentiation, be mindful that your, let's say your second order differentiation is less than 0, then it is a maximum point. If second order differentiation is more than 0, then minimum point. And if you want to find inflection point, your second order differentiation will be 0. This part I forget to mention in our classes also. Okay, please take note. Second order differentiation, you should be getting 0. So let's do the second order differentiation first. So d2y dx square is equal to, take the first order is 6x minus 2x square. So you differentiate, this is your first order differentiation. Second order, 6 minus 4x only. Okay, now we try to substitute. When x equals to 0, when x equal to 0, what will happen? So maybe I put down. So this is your d square y dx square. You will get positive 6. Positive 6 is more than 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 and what's the point now? 1 over 2 is a minimum point. Okay, and for when x equals to 3, 6 d square y dx square equal to 6 minus 4 times 3. You'll get negative 6, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means what? It's a maximum point. So 3, 19 over 2 is a maximum point. This is how you write the steps lah. Like it advisable to write, is it more than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0. Okay, let's move on. Question C. Question C I copy back here. Okay, if let's say x increases, is it continuation question? Yeah, it is a continuation question. Never mind, it's okay. Lagi senang lah, you guna satu information saja. Okay, if x increase from 2 to 2.1, okay, so you can find delta x out of it. Find the approximate value of y. That means approximate value means y new. I'm very sure I already teach you all this concept, right? Okay, so it relating dy and dx. So the first thing you need to know the formula, two formula. Dy dx is equal to delta y over delta x, first formula. Second thing, you want to find y new is equal to y old or original plus your delta y. Okay, so first thing you need to find your delta y. After you get delta y, you ganti here and then find y old, then you get your approximate value of y, which is y new. Okay, so first of all, dy dx. Dy dx kita dah tahu kan, 6x minus 2x square. Okay, this is your dy dx. Okay, now what do you need to do? Find your x. This is your x and this is your x new. The original x is 2. So substitute x equal to 2. So you should be getting how much we get? 12 minus 4 times 2, 8. You get 4, the answer. So we get ready dy dx. We get ready delta x. No, I didn't find yet. Delta x dah dapat dah. Okay, first step yang ni. Second step yang ni. Delta x is take the new value minus the old value. So you get 0.01. Okay, third step, find the change in y. Okay, we know that dy dx is equal to delta y over delta x. So delta y is equal to dy dx multiply delta x. So dy dx kita dah tahu 4 here. And then delta x is 0.01. Correct? So what will be the answer? 0.04. Okay, now fourth step. You want to find the new approximate value of y. So we write the formula, y new is equal to y old plus delta y. Oh, y old I have to calculate separately. Very large y. Okay, so we take the the y that we have been expanded this in this form. Okay, y old what is that? 3x square minus 2 over 3x cube. 3x square minus 2 over 3x cube plus 1 over 2. And then you substitute x equal to 2 always. Okay, so what do you get? 3, 2 square minus 2 over 3, 2 cube plus half. Okay, let's calculate this. Just key in your calculator as you can see. When I do this, I'm getting 43 over 6. Okay, now your y old is 43 over 6 plus your delta y is 0.04. So I'm getting answer 1081 over 150, which is equal to 7.20. Must give 4 significant figure, 7.207. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, hopes that's explained.